Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Minami, and on today's video I'm going to be taking you guys on a quick tour to this beautiful hotel in Limbe, Cameroon. So the first stop, I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful nice area where you could have a meeting, and the price depends on the number of people who are there. Then they have these beautiful clocks, and it's very peculiar because it shows different times, so it doesn't matter what part of the world you're from. When you're there, you know what time it is in whatever country you want. So after that, we went to the restaurant. This place looks like one nice Disney fairy tale movie. So it has this cute old man saying the menu of the day. So they provide breakfast, lunch, or supper depending on what time you get to the restaurant. So you see, when the lights were turned on, everything just switched to a whole another level. And the restaurant has a top floor and a base floor. So I'm just going to take you guys to the top floor. Come with me. For the day, and then you can choose to sit upstairs or downstairs. Now this place is called Savo Palms, and you have the view of the mountain and the sea from the hotel, so it's very beautiful. This is the top part of the restaurant. This is how it looks like, very cozy and nice. On the top floor, you get a chance to be served buffet style. So that was the table set up for buffet. After that, I just went downstairs to keep giving you guys the tour. Like, look at the little details and everything. This place is so nice, and they are professional. Like, everything, the details, thumbs up to whoever did the interior decor of this place. There are mirrors everywhere. Who doesn't love mirrors? Like, come on, man. Come on. So after that, I went to this beautiful section. Like, I'm just introducing you guys to the different rooms. And one other reason, they have bathtubs, so you could have a chill time, relax. They have bathrobes, everything, the details, like, just come to Royal Land. And they have different rooms ranging from the exclusive, which is 35,000 francs to 300,000 francs. So they have the presidential suite. They have like just different areas. Like, see, if you're on a budget, or you're coming for a little vacation, or just taking yourself out for a pamper routine, you could go to the exclusive. If you're on the bougie side and you have much money, go to the presidential suite. So here's a presidential suite. This is the first time I'm even entering a presidential suite, my people. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The beds are well made, it's comfortable. I'm not just talking, I actually went here after this. I actually went there on a weekend, and it was so nice. And so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, so you are going to watch the weekend vlog with me. It's kind of raining outside, so I don't know if you can get me clearly, but voila, let's just keep watching. Okay, so they have showers, and they also offer hot water, cold water services. So the fridge and everything works. Like, with my experience while I was there, the first day I went there, they checked the fridge and it was not working, and they quickly just switched it up for me. They gave you instructions, and they have all these labels on the wall, so you don't be afraid you're not going to get missing. And when you come, you could just ask the receptionist to show you around. Like, everything, any information you want, just ask. This clock was amazing. And did I just tell you, I forgot to tell you guys, I was actually going to Limbe with my family, and my uncle was here. And so when they heard I was a YouTuber and everything, and I loved the place, I asked if there was an opportunity for me to vlog and do like a tour, and they were quick to say yes, and that was so nice. So Uncle Franklin, if you're watching this, thank you so much for this opportunity, and the place is nice. So after that, here is there are two exclusive rooms. One has a bathtub and the other one does not have a bathtub. So these are the smallest rooms, but it's still so comfortable, so nice. Like, the comfort, everything is amazing. Ooh. When I was taking this video, I was so excited. I could not wait to come back here. And they also have a gym Once you pay for a room, you're eligible to use the gym and the pool. They have an indoor pool. Just keep watching and you're going to see the indoor pool. They also have jacuzzis, but during my stay there, they said the jacuzzis were kind of out of use for the meantime. I don't know if it's because of quarantine or stuff. So here is the bar. So it has a bar. It's like a one-stop hotel. They have a bar, they have a spa, as you're going to see if you keep watching the video. This place, man, this place it's for the money spenders. It's for the I don't know, I'm so hyped today, but this place is the place. So here is the pool area. It's kind of quiet on some days, but they were playing music, but I just had to mute it because of copyright stuff. And yeah, that's it. Just keep watching. You're going to see the vlog of when I was in this place, man. My English trying to fail me, but man. So that's another jacuzzi there, and yeah, they have the sauna, shower and steam. So this place, if you want to pamper yourself and you're in Limbe, do have to pass here. It's located on the Sonara road, the road going to Sonara. You just see it, there's several palms. It's guarded by military, not just average security, man. I mean the military. There's total security there. So this is a little sitting area where you could just go through the magazine and have a nice cool time before going to the spa. So yeah, this place, man, hope you're loving it so far. Do well to give it a thumbs up. Also suggest other videos you like to see on my channel. I'm thinking of doing restaurant reviews as well, and I know you guys have not seen my face in a long time. I'm going to be coming with more makeup, styling videos and everything. This is a one-stop channel, just as beautiful as this hotel. So do all to keep watching, okay? So guys, here's the salon. You have manicure and pedicure. So it's like a one-stop hotel. You can go to the gym, you can go for swimming, you have like your spa treatment and everything, and it's beautifully made. Like the interior decor and everything is perfect. And we also have the massage room. So here is a massage room. So beautiful. I've never entered a massage room before, guys. So this is like if you're a tourist or a visitor and you want a place where you get total comfort and everything, do well to come to Savour Palms at Sonara Road, the road going to Sonara. So it's very beautiful, and the management and the team, everything is perfect. They could lead you wherever you want to go to, and their prices fluctuate, so it's very flexible from 35,000 to 300,000. Very flexible. There are family rooms, single rooms, exclusive and everything. So when you come around here, just go to the reception and they'll help you around. Ooh, the beautiful outdoor. Like, look at this. The hotel also has this top platform where you could have like an outdoor wedding, any beautiful ceremony. Like, just look at the sky, everything beautiful. It gets arranged when you want it. That's also a jacuzzi, but it's locked up for now. You have the mountain view, also the sea view. Like, just listen to what I have to say, because man, if Minami can approve of something, then that's the thing for you. We and some rich man things. Please, I'm really happy today, okay? The best. Thanks for watching, fam, and see you guys on my next one. Mwah.